name is Conrad Fuller. I've worked at C.R.Kennedy as a service engineer for 18 years. What processes are done when servicing a total station instrument? After booking in, the instrument is given an incoming inspection and test. This is followed up with a service, any repairs, and full adjustment procedure. Finally, the instrument undergoes a detailed, outgoing verification test. This ensures the instrument is adjusted according to the factory specifications. Service costs and downtime can be significantly reduced through periodic preventative maintenance. You benefit from equipment that is always in optimal working condition. We offer customer care packages, we issue calibration certificates, and we offer repairs. A standard service typically takes 8 hours to complete. If the instrument has been used in harsh environmental conditions, then a service can extend up to 12 or more hours. Leica recommend a 12-month service interval. However, a shorter interval should be considered if the instrument is used in harsh conditions such as tunneling or mining. All our service centres are certified by Leica. We have 6 service centres. They are located in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Cairns, Perth and Adelaide. They are staffed by a total of 31 service engineers.